Hi guys, it's me. I'm back. You might be asking, why haven't been uploading any new videos lately? Simple. Like I said, my laptop is broken. But I have I have some good news for you. The laptop is back. Or rather, well, let's just say I got a new laptop basically. Anyways, I'm gonna show you it right now. Yes, my laptop is back and we're back in business. Of course, the mouse is oh, here it is. We're back in business. As you can see here, we're back in business. Hell, I even have some I'm currently playing some games right now. So you could say I haven't been uploading it because I was waiting, I was expecting to I was expecting for well I was expected to wait for a long time to get a new laptop, but I guess he needed a laptop now and I finally got back my laptop. And it's back online. Meaning that now I can go back to making your regular schedule video. Well, scheduled in a schedule, I mean I didn't have any. You could say here's something you don't know. I never had an uploading schedule. Never. I never had an uploading schedule. Whenever I feel like the content is interesting enough that if the content that I'm currently playing, basically any games that I'm currently interested in playing, and if the game is interesting enough, or the games that I'm currently playing is interesting enough that I would it's interesting to capture the moment basically. It's been so long since I ever played. Oh, it's so long since I haven't made a new video because of the laptop. But it's back though. So you get the point. What I'm trying to explain is that any game that I'm playing, if it's interesting enough, or there's like a funny moment or some sort of something that wouldn't occur until like in the next millions of years or something like that, then I will make a video. Basically, there is no schedule basically. It's just that the only requirement is that if a game is interesting to me, I will make a new video. And that's that. But if you start to ask, if you may ask myself, why do you don't have a schedule? Why do I not have any uploading schedule? Well, really, I need to balance my personal life and being a YouTuber. Remember, being a YouTuber is a very taxing job. Well, if you're gonna go full time with it. And you could say I have been a full-time YouTuber for so long, ever since I was a child. I had to start all over again because, I couldn't transfer my account. But, nevertheless, I'm back to make your regular daily content. And also, I need to show you something. Just give me one moment. See this? I'm currently recording. Well, the video you're currently seeing is being recorded by my tablet. I'm gonna show you something on my phone. Just give me one moment. Here it is. See? Oh, hold on. If you can see it though. Here it is. If you couldn't tell, I only have 48 subscribers, as you can see here. Well, as you can see here, like there's only like 48 subscribers here. As you can see here, right here, just right here, I only have 48 subscribers. I know you can't see it, hopefully, but I only have 48 subscribers. So please, if you're new here, welcome. Welcome to my channel, where I posted God knows whatever random videos that I've been able to have in my channel for the past year. Welcome. 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 It's good to see you. Good evening, good morning, good night, whatever time zone you're in. All happy to meet you. If you happen to like the video that I'm gonna make next, click the like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to see the newest video I'm going to be uploading down the line. And thanks for the patience. I know I don't have a schedule, but I will try my best to upload my videos as often as I can. And remember, I still have school, so remember I have school, and I don't have time to make a new video at all. But please, I'm begging you, please, like and subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to see me upload the latest videos on my channel. Please, I'm begging you, please. And that's all for today. Have a good day.